Hi, friends. I know you just listened to a story that talks about saying sorry. Sometimes saying sorry can be a lot of work. Well, today I'm going to teach you the 4 parts to an apology. It's easy to say, "Oh, I'm sorry," and run away, but it's another thing to mean you're sorry. We are all sorry for some things, so in order to have a really good apology and mean it, there's 4 special parts. The first part is to apologize. Then you must take responsibility. Then you need to tell them how you will resolve this. And the fourth is to ask for forgiveness. Here's my example. I am sorry that I yelled at you. Yelling is never a good thing, but sometimes we do it when we're really angry. So, did you see there? I said, I am sorry for yelling. That took care of parts 1 and part 2. I am sorry that I yelled at you. Now, to resolve it, I can say this. Next time, I will take a deep breath before I overreact and yell. The final part, asking for forgiveness, is kind of tough, but you can say, "Will you forgive me?" Usually the person that you are apologizing to will say, "Sure, thank you for taking responsibility." So here it is all together. I am sorry that I yelled at you. Next time, I will take a deep breath and think before I yell. Will you forgive me? What I'd like you to do is practice this apology with your parents. Make them apologize to you, and you apologize to them. The more practice comes the more thinking that's going to take place and the more meaning that will be behind your apology. When you get angry next time and you do something that might not be okay, think back to this apology. Will it make the resolution come faster? Will apologizing actually help calm you down? Why don't you think about that the next time you get angry? I hope you have a great day.